For freelancers across Canada and the United States, finding the right accounting tool can make your business life a lot easier. You want something that helps you send invoices fast, track expenses, and keep your books organized. Let's talk about FreshBooks. FreshBooks is known for being clean, polished, and incredibly easy to use. It was designed with freelancers in mind, people who bill clients, track time, and juggle multiple projects. When you log in, everything feels simple and intuitive. You can create professional invoices in minutes, add your logo, customize payment terms, and even set up automatic reminders for clients who forget to pay. FreshBooks also lets clients pay directly through the invoice using credit cards or bank transfers, which helps you get paid faster. One of FreshBooks' strongest features is time tracking. If you bill clients by the hour, you can log your time right inside the platform or use the mobile app to track as you go. Those tracked hours can be turned into invoices instantly, saving you from manual calculations. The expense tracking is smooth too. You can connect your business bank account, categorize transactions automatically, and snap pictures of receipts from your phone. It keeps all your records neat and ready for tax season. FreshBooks also includes reporting tools that show how your business is doing at a glance. You can check income, expenses, and profit trends without needing to dig into complicated spreadsheets. If you work with an accountant, they can access your FreshBooks account directly and pull what they need. Now, let's talk about Wave. Wave takes a different approach. It is a completely free accounting platform. Yes, free. You can send unlimited invoices, track expenses, and manage bookkeeping without paying a subscription fee. The design is clean and straightforward, and even though it is free, it does not feel stripped down. Wave makes it easy to create professional invoices, accept online payments, and automatically record everything in your books. You can track income and expenses, connect your bank accounts, and generate financial reports like profit and loss or balance sheets. For tax season, everything stays organized, and you can export data for your accountant with just a few clicks. The main difference is that Wave's payment processing and payroll features are optional paid services. You only pay when you use them. That means if you want clients to pay online via credit card or bank transfer, Wave takes a small fee per transaction. But if you prefer to get paid by check or direct deposit, you can keep using it completely free. For Canadian and US freelancers who want simple, no-cost bookkeeping, that is a huge advantage. Wave also shines in its accessibility. It runs entirely in the cloud, has mobile apps for invoicing and receipts, and stores your data securely. While it does not have built-in time tracking like FreshBooks, you can easily add those details manually or integrate with other tools. It is not as customizable, but for the price, free, it delivers incredible value. If you want a refined, all-in-one tool for managing projects, billing, and tracking time, go with FreshBooks. If you just need clean, reliable invoicing and bookkeeping without spending a dime, Wave is your best bet. Either way, both tools make it easier to get paid, stay organized, and keep your freelance business running smoothly in Canada or the US.